Today's video is sponsored by Javy Coffee. Javy is a great way to make all sorts of coffee, beverages, and desserts easily with just a splash. Use code ANADI, ANADI, at checkout for a discount.
Hey, welcome back. So, Pumpkin Train is back with another pumpkin treat for this month. I'm going to be making a quick pumpkin spice frappuccino. I'm going to be using the pumpkin syrup I made the other day from my pumpkin spice latte. So, I'll link that down below and let's get into it. So, here I have my homemade pumpkin spice, cinnamon, nutmeg, ground ginger, clove, and allspice. Just mix that up really quick. Then I'm going to be using some pistachio flavored Javy Coffee concentrate, which is going to be great. Then I have my homemade pumpkin syrup, milk, and ice. I'm going to start by adding in a cup of milk into my blender here. Then just about a cup of ice cubes. Then I'm going to add some of my Javy. I'm going to add just close to a tablespoon of the coffee concentrate right in there. And I always enjoy the color changing when I add that in. Take a look at that. Then I'm going to add in my pumpkin spice syrup. And this honestly is to your preference. You might like it sweeter than me, you might like it less sweet than me. So just trial and error. I recommend about 2 tablespoons at the minimum. A frap, after all, is a blended iced drink. So we will do the same.
Now you want to make sure you don't blend it too much to get excessive foam. And then once you have it all blended, you can pour it into your serving drink. If you do get extra foam, you can spoon that out and then add it to your glass. Then top it up with lots of whipped cream if you want, and then sprinkle it with some of your pumpkin spice.
Let's see which one of these are tastier. They both look awesome. I think I like the sweetness level of mine a bit more. Yeah, I guess there is a way on the app, I guess, or at the store to tell them how much sweetener to put. But I guess like that's the advantage of having it at home. You can do it based on your exact preference because there's no real way to really tell the barista exactly how much sugar you want. But they're both delicious. You're going to enjoy both. This is just a way, the homemade one, to have more of them because, everyday Starbucks, while possible, may not be the best for your pocket. So, cheers.